Hi, here's a tip on a fun website that you can use to help you to choose a color palette. You can use this for any class that you're taking. It doesn't have to be with the class that you're taking with me right now. But if you need to kind of identify a color palette to work with for a project, here's the website. It's coolors.co, coolers or coolors.co. So there, you can use the free version of the website. It does cost money if you want to use all the features. But for example, let's say I have a photo on my computer and I want to sort of get an idea of what color palette I could use off that photo. First, I'll click over here on this little icon that looks like a camera to create a palette from a photo. And then I can upload an image that I have on my computer, or if I had a photo in mind that is on some website somewhere, then I could, plug in the URL to that from that website. But I have a photo on my computer here, and I'm just going to drag and drop that in. And right here now we have the image picker, and it's identified some colors based on what it's seeing in the photo. If I were to take this little dot right here and drag it around, it's going to change that first color. Okay, so if I wanted to have a different first color there. Or I can use this slider and then it's going to basically change all of the swatches as I would just sort of scroll across, so I could possibly identify other groupings of colors to make a palette. I can also add and remove colors from these swatches. So if I didn't want this many, I just, click on the minus sign right there. Okay, or if I want more, I click on the plus sign and then I can add even more colors to the palette. Or like I said, if I wanted to just change that first one, then I can just click and drag that around. Okay, so this could be really handy. And then if you want to save that, you would just click on next, and then you can just choose export palette. And then after you click on the export palette, you have some options on how you want to save the color selections that you chose.